Friend, you can see we redesigned the package. Now for the package, we just use this bag, and you can take it like this on your shoulder, and this can be adjusted to be longer or shorter, like this way, so longer and shorter. Okay, and you can see this here. You can put in different airbrush pens. Also, trigger tab, both is okay. Here is a braided hose. The braided hose is like this one. Here, just the screw it here, and here to and now here you can put some pens, bottles here, and here, and also can put bottles like a clean kit. Both is okay. After you finish your painting, you can just like this.